See how good it is. So, different systems. So, when you have different systems, the main issue is going to be in this system. If we need to study each summation between these departments, we are going to have any automation of the information flow. We will be manual, we will not be able to accommodate. So, yes, to share information between this organization or between the department is going to be a great problem. We may be unable to coordinate it may not be working, it may not be on doing one department. So one is in the payroll management. So the payroll just is related or taking HR is also getting a part of it. Maybe those information needs to be sent to administration. So two divisions are getting involved, gets involved in order to complete this payroll related details of the problem. But here what's going to happen? HR may be having their own system, maybe they are calculating all our pay inputs and everything. And what they finalize, maybe in a manual way of it. Information needs to be sent to the accounting division where they will be able to check and release the needful salary for the institute. Only connection. Both of these we can't information sharing also going to be a barrier because this coordinating the work to complete our problem in the easiest way is also not going to be the easiest way. It's going to be difficult. We are going to do information data just in manual way, so in a separate way, we have to get to be a problem. It will be expensive also looking for different systems running, maintaining, we have to work with them, so it's going to be expensive also. So using this system, this kind of problem issues for there. So that's why now organizations are focusing on enterprise application. So main goal is rather than we focus on a division, we will be focusing on a business problem. Payments, the payroll, so in order to manage the payroll, and now we'll be considering about a system, the payroll management system, which could be accessed both by the HR. This system is not limited only to HR or only to finance system, where in order to complete the process, different departments may be getting it. Maybe even different level of central staff, level operational level employees will be getting it. That's why here we say that we focusing on the division, we focus on business process. So in order to complete this business process, maybe the system is going to be the entire part. So through different departments, people, the employees will be using the same system. So because of this, now all the issues earlier we had, all these issues are going to get eliminated. So we will be able to share information. Don't need to bother about separating, sending away the manual sending. Other system may be just in a page. Here's the information from HR to the finance. May have been passwords to information may have been shared. That's going to be easy for us. And then maybe all the different employees will be able to access and use the system. So that's why we are referring to for this system, an enterprise system. System could be used by several departments in organization. So yes, this is the diagram. We can get the idea of what we were discussing. Thus we can see it could be from different divisions. It could be the sales or the manufacturing, finance, human resource. Different departments will be used the same system, same time. Different levels of employees also may be experienced using the same system. Can you identify what are the examples of these enterprise applications? Into the picture, identify yourself. An example. in the diagram. Yes, we have customer relationship management system. We can consider as one element application. In the we have supply chain management system. Management system. Yeah, we have the enterprise system. So enterprise system is what we are usually called as CPRs. So yeah, these are the managing enterprise applications. This doesn't talk about this major point. This is the basic idea what these systems are really. So yes, again, before moving, we will talk about how this covers this demand. So yes, let's assume order fulfillment. So yeah, we know maybe when the customer is coming facing an order. So as we can see, three divisions are getting important. One, order fulfillment and three divisions are getting equal. So sales division, maybe they are generating the order. Maybe have to submit the order to the division also sees the sales division order. And they will be checking the credit about the customer. So once they are approved, needs to be sent to the market. Once the division, they will start this. So once they have completed the submit the product, they will ship the product. Meanwhile, in the account division, they will get a invoice, they will send that and the payment will be. So one you can see three divisions are getting invoiced. So if this organization is using rate system, or maybe we can call it as a legacy or a traditional system. This is how it's going to happen. So we know the system, each division may be having their own system. So own system, own database. So sales division gets the order. So what they are going to do, they will be entering all their data here. They will generate the order. So now, in order to get the approval, we can see no any connection. So maybe through an email or through a separate way, they have to send the order details to get the approval. The accounting division, what they have to do, just simply email the approval. Maybe the information, those data, they have to again update with their data in their system. Then only we can check and give the approval. So just approval given, and we can again see no any connection with the production division. So when we again they are sending the approval in production division. Again, production division also needs to update this order related data quantity, limit, or bringing to their system. Then this they will so kind of the same data, order related data. Three systems will be again and again updating. We know when we are updating the data again and again. So we have studied about these problems with the data, duplication of data, and because of this inaccuracy could happen, inconsistency. Then what will happen? Rather than entering 1,000, we may be mistaken in the contract. Then yes, these inaccuracy problems could occur. So yes, legacy system did done. If the organization is using enterprise system or maybe an enterprise application where it's going to be one system, then we know yes, we have only one system, one database where all the three departments will be accessing them. Same process, the customer comes to the sales division and thus the order is generated. Yeah, the sales division may be updated. In order to get approval, they can only use separately send any data or information to them to the system. The notification goes to the order division, and they are only to again enter the data. They have the details there. They will check. They will get approval. Also, directly goes to the production division, maybe a notification or a thing. So they know, okay, the work has been approved. We can start. So here too, then only to again enter the details, the same details again. They will get the data from the sales division. They will start working on. So once we are doing the work also, they will maybe update the same database. Okay, the progress, what is the progress we have completed or we have shipped. So because of this, if the customer is calling the sales division, we can update the status of their order. It's going to be so easy. So they will need to say, okay, wait, we will ask for the production division and give update. No, they will just plug into the system. They will get to know what is the product. Information to stakeholder the customers also in an easiest way. So that is the good of the enterprise system. So with this idea, we move to the major enterprise applications. As we have seen in the picture, the diagram, we have 4 major enterprise applications. So a little bit about each and every we will be discussing. So starting with CR, many of the organizations having a CRM system, maintaining be there. Or maybe sometimes a CRM is common name. Sometimes the organizations may be having a specific name to the system. So in case we call ERP, but in organizations we may be having different names. Could be a bad name or the company name could be. So I'm pretty sure mostly we may be having CRM system, could be sometimes in different. So the simple idea about CRM, as the name clearly tells us, customer relationship management system. We will be having all our customer data. So could be starting from their personal data, or it could be starting from their sales related, their purchasing related data, or all their history, their orders and everything. We will be having there. So in all the customer data, available to the customer, every all data is going to be in one page. That's one part. Because of this, what is the good thing? Another way, so we are saying all the customer data. So we know customer contact the organization in different moves. So maybe different chats. So we take SAP. How you get contact with SAP? You need an information. How you contact SAP without? How? Which way? Need some information from SAP. Just asking for some if you need to contact, how will you contact? Say where to talk with some people. Yes. Or you will send an email. Okay. What other ways are there? Website here was yeah, could be a WhatsApp even here. Yeah, so we can know different same with an organization as a customer. There's maybe primarily we will be calling them, sending an email, or could be fax, or could be, or maybe even now organizations, the businesses also having their WhatsApp chats or the business account, and we could, or through the website, we can send them messages, inquiries, we can do. So customer may get connected with the organization through different channels or through different contact points. It could be from any contact point, but all these customer updates will be given or will be updated to the CRM. So maybe today we are calling, we are asking an inquiry, or we are asking something. Sometimes what happens when you're calling tomorrow, another person answers. Person doesn't know anything about we call yesterday. From the beginning, we have to share them all this issue. Now we send an email. All the email call. So issues there. If Yeah, in CRM, what's going to happen? They will call, they will go and update our data to our account, the customer account. So, they can email you before they reply. If they know it's the customer, they will check our account or check the update from our system and they will give us an idea. So that's why we say the customer will be able to get a single or maybe a single complete view of the organization. So I can call, I can email, I will be having a continuous reply or a status update from the organization. Second, to the employees, especially to the customer facing employees. So now they also have the employee history data of the customer. So they may have called, they may have emailed, but when they are going to reply, when they are going to share the information, these employees also will be able to have a single complete view of the customer. Yesterday, today, all the details history may have been updated in the system. So that is the good thing. Where we will be able to have all these customer data, and it will help us to do the process to give information to our customers. So these are the main clusters we may be having in a CRM or where we can use the CRM. So definitely for marketing, as we have the all customer data, we can analyze and get information from them. So what is the market trend is going on, what are the customer behaviors, what are their preferences. We may be able to identify these customer segments, the market segments, just those data information and marketing. So in customer service support, so I will be yes, we may have been updating all the customer data. So to provide the service to the customer, it's going to be that easiest way we will be able to provide it. Even to maintain or to retain customers, so maybe mostly we go in order to retain customers. Running loyalty programs is one way. So yes, what we will be able to do, even to maintain the loyalty program, we will be using. So for example, if we take the soft logic groups, so what are the companies or the businesses under soft logic? Soft logic students. Loma. It was. What else? Remember, Ashan's name clearly. Yeah. Yes. No. It's also under there. There are some ice creams, fast foods also. Burger King, even beer, Baskin Robbins, those are also under soft logic. So these are the different kinds of other than soft logic with their name. So soft logic insurance, soft logic furniture, electronics, finance, all industry. One industry goes down, they will be able to survive. So yes, so soft logic. So they have different businesses under their name, or maybe even as we were saying, like hotel, Roma, yeah. So there are loyalty programs. Because their loyalty program is running not only for soft logic finance or not even for Roma, but it's a soft logic 1. So they are running their loyalty program as soft logic 1. So if we go to CA, we have a diploma, we have low mark before CA. So what we do, we go and purchase it, and we redeem points, we get points. But we can do the same points, we can redeem or we can choose when we are going to online. Or maybe when we are going to Burger King, or maybe we are going to a popular furniture or something, we will be able to. So there are loyalty programs for their soft logic group. How they have been able to practice, how they have been able to maintain these through their CRM. So now we are talking about the enterprise application, which may be inside an organization. But software CRM is not only limited to their organization, but for all their group of companies. It's one CRM. Our customer could be a Burger King customer or another customer or a software customer, but they have been considered as one customer. How it has been possible, or how these updates, the records, data are maintained through their system. So that's also a good thing when we are having CRM to run this logic. Definitely for each and every customer, they may be maintaining and even separately analyze each and every customer, their behaviors, and maybe they are giving them promotions, those things, discounts, those things also. In this case, we will be able to use the CRM data. So there is mainly two types of sales, subset. So now this. In your learning, Samila කියලා දුන්නේ නැද්ද? කියලා දුන්නද කාශ්මීර? So cross-selling concept, we try to go to the picture. To be good with this, you can see this picture, right? So the first sentence. So what's happening? Kalashini is going shopping. When did you went last shopping, Kalashini? When did you last went shopping? Friday. Okay, so Friday around 3:30 p.m. Okay, so Friday around 3:30 p.m. Kalashini is going shopping, so it's very hot, sunny, tired. So Kalashini thinks, okay, I will have a soft drink. So she's a juice shop or something, and she thinks, okay, I will have a soft drink. So start. So she enters it and she goes and asks the orders for this. And what does the salesperson say? Yes, we have an offer today. If you buy a burger, we are going to give you free French fries. What will Kalashini do? Even 99.9% definitely buy. Like Kalashini 20 buy a soft drink, maybe 150 rupees. Burger එකක් ගත්තම French fries තියෙනවා maybe for 300 or 400. She's buying a burger also with the shopping. Yes, she gets this free French fries. So here what happens? Yeah, the customer came to purchase one item. The business or the organization is trying to sell few other additional items. This Every time it's very tired and that person actually goes to buy the drink. But the salesperson is saying we have 50% offer. The price is 50% off. If you buy. Okay, maybe actually buy. But little less chance later. So at 3:30 time, the hot sunny time, yes, maybe we go for soft drink and burger and french fries. Yeah, 99%. If there's even 50% of our price, okay, chance is less. Could be we may buy 50-40%. So here what we can understand, when we do the cross-sell, it should be relatable. So that's why we say those are which we could go inside the same basket. So it should be something suitable. So if we are going to say some unrelatable products to the customer, if we are offering them, yes, it's not for me. So in order to do the cross-sell, we should be knowing our product baskets, which products could go together. How we get to know that from our past customer data. So we know, okay, usually this item goes together. We know the burger and the rice packet is not going to go together. So this data we get from our past history from the other sales from our CRM system. So that is the cross-sell. Next, we have the upsell. Again, she is going to buy a juice or a shopping. As the salesperson is now saying, meals today for the small one, there is no any offer. But if you buy a large one, there is a percentage offer. Actually takes to buy a small one. The salesperson is saying there is 10% offer for the large one. What will Kalashni do? Funny. So again, challenges there. So we went just to buy a small shopping, maybe 100 rupees, but now the big one is 600. And they say 10% offer. So yeah, now it's again still 60 rupees as a review, 540. Still what we will be doing, we will be purchasing them. Or maybe they can say they sell the different drink, or maybe another orange juice, we have the apple juice, or chocolate, hot chocolate or something. So they may be promoting us for that. So definitely which will be, or maybe that's a strategy. To do the upsell also, here if we just one time go to a shop, so that could be a different way. But for a repeated customer, before they do the upsell, they should be knowing about the customer. Let's assume just juice is fine. If we are going to talk about a payment or maybe a product, then if already the customer has so many juice and is not a very regular customer, then if you are going to promote them for upsell for a higher product, again it's a risk to the organization. So we should be knowing about the customer before giving the offer, or maybe before promoting them, whether this customer is suitable to go to this upsell. So again we get that data information from us, from our history data. We can decide, okay, what level of upsell can we go 4,000 or 2,000? What level of upsell we will be able to do? We will be able. So yes, in order to get data to make or to prepare our strategy for cross-sell and upsell also, we are getting information or we get data from our CRM system. So that's also again one choice for maybe a customer relationship. So this may be the phases or maybe the life cycle. So we will be learning a customer, getting a new customer, then we have to enhance the so when you use this, so that's why they have this loyalty program, so different scheme. So they say once we are joining, we are moving to the bronze level, then our silver, gold, platinum. So likewise, they make us buy more and more. Okay. So once we go to the top level enhanced, it's again the important thing to retain the customer, keep the customer with us. So which one do you think the easiest one? Acquiring a new one or retaining the old one? Retaining. Okay. It's not easy. According to you, where do you work? Okay. So your banking sector, what do you think? When a new customer is easy or retaining the old customer is easy? Retaining. This could be only maybe say retaining the old customer is easy. But in some industry, even sometimes getting a new customer could be easy. But mostly, if you have already got a customer, giving them some services and retaining them could be the most easiest. But anyway, not to get a customer, to acquire new customer, enhance them, and to retain, we can get the sum of a customer. So if you are going to acquire a customer, what we have to do is right marketing. So we should be moving about the customer. We can personalize our marketing today. Yes, it will definitely make a difference between the customer. And we will help them, or maybe we will be able to easily get them. So again, to do that, just we get the data. So we know, okay, the age group between 20 to 30. This is their buying behavior, this is their preferences. So accordingly, we can market it. Definitely. So what is you will be getting emergency call? This is working people. Yes, we may be able to do this direct marketing, personalization. Through that, get the customers. In order to get to know these different market segments, just again use the CRM data. This we about this cross-sell, upsell. So one way to enhance the customer, so we can go buy more just to enhance them. If we need to retain them, we have to provide them proactive service. So why we say proactive? Before the customer. So if the customer asks and we give the service, now we get. So exactly. We are talking about proactive service. Even before the customer asks, we should be able to provide them the services that you full support. Then we will be able to provide a better service and retain the customer with that. So we can go for sales process automation. So we talked about with e-commerce, where with online sales happening. We can only see the customer data, but they updated and kept was CRM. So that the customer support. So when we are saying in the e-commerce where we do these recommendations or maybe the suggestions, yes, we get information input data from us. So could be few phases or few functions where we are getting the support from us CRM data. And then as we know the company, maybe the major one will be using the CRM, and the partners also sometimes will be, but the customer may not be directly sometimes getting related, connected to the CRM. Yeah, using the e-commerce system, when you have to do online purchasing or something, then our data may be directly get updated to the CRM to the customer information may be getting. So this is how CRM works. So to maintain the customer relationship, how we get these various support. So identifying and having who are happy customers, accordingly providing them the service on the offers, promotions we get. Relationship and personalization. So again, especially when it comes to e-commerce business. But we have all logistic data, which we can customize or personalize the services which we are making. All of this will be able to get to know how and when a customer contacts the organization. Because customers are different here. So usually when we, so let's tell you, what about you? You like to call a person or message a person? That's what we will do. Now, it's not for the but yeah, it may be message. Oh, I'm so sorry, I missed your call. So lucky that person made it kayak. Unlucky, what could happen? The person may call actually. If that person is calling person, he get call. Well, yeah. So anyone who likes to call rather than messaging, texting. Since we only emails. Yeah. My barang no, message why you calling me? So different state, the different users, different customers, they may be having different ways. So even when it comes to the organization, it could be some customers just they keep calling again and again. Maybe only dealing with emails, or some the business account, they are okay with chatting or sending the WhatsApp. It could be. So if we are also going to contact back the customer, yes, we should be knowing how, when to do that. So for a person who sends always email, if you are calling, sometimes they say, this is an unknown number and may not answer. Or maybe for a person who always calls us, if we send an email in way, so the information is not going to get shared with. So it could be a very simple thing, but when how the customer contacts the organization, we should be knowing in order to, if we need to call them or to share the information with them. So that also we will be able to do. And through this, we will be able to provide a superior service. So consistent service, best service to your customers to any contact. Like we will say different channels, it will be a call, email, message to any contact point. We will be able to provide the best consistent experience because we have the update. We all have the same, the updated information about our customer from Srilanka. So definitely we will be able to provide a consistent customer experience to customers. So these are the benefits of CRM. So systems, so it could be more useful. I mean, for a physical related business or maybe for an online business. Yeah, so most useful, we can say, to the online business because why? They are the people, maybe they are going to see customer. So definitely they are to capture and maintain their customer data in order to provide them the useful services. If it's a physical store, a physical business, maybe the customer may come there. So for them also needed for those other marketing purposes, for the other promotion, those purposes, they need these CRM. When it comes to directly dealing with customers, this is going to be a great tool for direct business. So with that, we will move on to see about the SCM, the supply chain management system. So at the very end, here it's also green, also explains Here, we will be able to use the system in order to enhance our supply chain. When we say the supply chain, we can consider like from designing or where we is developing the product to distributing the product. So we can consider maybe from the procurement, we are purchasing the raw materials, the inventory, manufacturing, production, and maybe the team of the distribution until the product is designed and goes to the market. The entire process, the supply chain process, we will be able to get the support from our SPL system. So even the people who are involved in this, so it could be suppliers, customer, or it could be some partners, distributors, they will be also getting involved and using the SPF, the supply chain management system. So this is the life cycle of customer orders are coming. We have to come. So we may not win, or maybe be having some restriction. There could be the human resource or the time capacity, there could be the machines which we have, the flow, how we can do. So when we get orders, so it could be 100, 500, we may not be able to extend. So looking into how we already, how much we will be able to produce, we okay, this may be what we negotiate to the order. So once we are committed to the orders, we will be scheduling. Now we may not have yet 100 orders we have committed. We know all the 100 we are not going to produce in the very first week. So we have to schedule the first week. So we may have the due dates also. Probably we will put the schedule. Okay, first week the 10 we are doing, the next week we can do 15. We will put the schedule. Then according to the schedule, we will start producing, and once it has been produced, finalized, we may be able to do. Okay, so this is how the supply chain of the development committee scheduling making and running. In order to do this process, how we are getting the support from functions of the so as we can see. When we say procurement, it's not just we are going to go and buy other raw materials and in a strategic procurement. So I think you may have heard about JIT. What does JIT stand for? G JIT, just in time. So who introduced that? Which company introduced JIT? So they came with this idea JIT. So what is their idea? Again, related to this inventory. Yes, they are not going to even maybe 100 orders we have. They will not purchase all the raw materials needed for the order. They will purchase just in the first week. They need only 10. So they will get to their inventory only the raw materials or the needful items for that day. The next week, again, they will go for 50. Next week, they will be going to what they will be able to do. They will be able to maintain minimum inventory, because having a huge amount of inventory is not possible, because it's still not the end product. Once the raw material changes to an end product, only there is a value to the organization. Until that, it's a cost. So maybe when a big or the natural disaster could come, or any issues, problems could come. What they are doing is, yes, they are not going to maintain high level of inventory, only lower level inventory. In order to do that, maintain a low level inventory, legit method would be useful. So yeah, scheduling. Now we know schedule. So even the procurement from the software. Also, we will be able to do a strategic procurement. Maybe using this JIT method strategies we can do. Scheduling and committing. So it said earlier, okay, customer orders are coming, 100 orders get, and we are scheduling for them. Only depending on this actual customer orders, is it enough for us? No. We may have to forecast the demand also. There could be some of our customers, very late customers. Throughout the semester, what we do once before 2 days before the exam only, we remember, then we get up, then we work. I want to customers in the at the last moment they will become. So we should be ready. Maybe one of our loyal customers, one of our big customers, so we can say no to them. So we have to forecast and do a demand. So we should be doing a forecasting properly from our history data. So that's why from again the CSCF we get the data. We do a proper forecasting. Okay, last year also this happened, or last few months also this happened. So this month. So this amount of orders we will be receiving. So we get ready for that. So we will be able to do a forecasting, a demand planning. So that we will get the actual customer orders. We schedule that. And accordingly, we are going to do the procurement also, maybe using a strategy like to be able to fulfill the customer. So with that, even to the inventory or warehouse operations also, we can get the support of SPA. So from the suppliers of how much inventory in, from the warehouse, how much rent out to the fleet. So what is the minimum order level? Because we know inventory is we should be having lower level, but not zero. We can't have zero. So there should be a minimum level of the inventory. Maybe automatically the system gives us notifications when it goes. So maybe automatically the order will be placed to be supplied. So we will be able to even manage our warehouse operations also. Production logistics, so where the inventory or raw materials coming in out logistics. So from the suppliers, where we get these supplies to lead. So maybe we can manage that. Even the outbound logistics, so that means the transportation and the shipment management. So now the product is ready. We are going to ship that. So how we are going to properly do that. So maybe if we have several customers to be distributed, we know these different methods, and we are going to find the shortest route method, or we are going to get the priority, the due date, so the priority time, which will be the efficient way to go. Accordingly, even those strategies, even the transportation, distribution, the proper way to track them, we will be able to get the support. So into what happens here, maybe the manufacturer or the organization, the company will be using this here. So maybe with that, the supplier also could be, they may also get the area connected with the system. And sometimes even the retailers, where they can place the orders directly with the system. So when it comes to customers, mainly they are not going to directly get access to their CM, or they may not get connected through the retailer. So customer demand or what are the customer requirements through the retailer, maybe those information data also gets updated. So this is the cycle of SPE. So why we use SPE? So again, what we have discussed there. If I again going to summarize, we can say most. So we will be able to efficiently forecast the demand. So not just we are going to say, but fact-based decision we can get from facts, from data. We can forecast the demand. Yes, we will be able to control the inventory, maybe at a low level. Relationship with the customer, suppliers, distributors, we have to distribute stakeholders. We will be able to have a good relationship, because now maybe there may not be any delays, so there may not be any mistake, along with setting the products, no any problem. So we will be able to maintain the relationship between them. And through this contact, through these different times, we will be receiving the feedback, or maybe the market sense, what is the demand, what is the requirement. We will be receiving, which may help us to come up with the strategy, so to do the process inside the organization. It doesn't say anything. So again, here, when we extract them, the benefits we can talk about. Yes, match the supply to demand. So we know we have more supply, surplus, also loss. If there's a shortage of supply, it's also the loss. So always we try to match the supply with demand. So now in forecasting, demand planning, we will be able to do that. Reduce the inventory level, and we can use it. It could be a physical financial assets, HR, human resources. So now we schedule in a proper way accordingly. So in an efficient way, we will be able to do that. We get an order, quickly we can put it to the market. Once the product is finalized and then it goes to the market, only there is a value complete to the organization. Until then, it's a customer. So we will be able to speak up the product and to the market. And even the delivery services, the transportation distribution will be able to improve now. So with all these, definitely we will be able to increase our sales. So we will be able to have a into this level. So in a nutshell, we can say what is the SCM is. So we can take the to place the chart in the quantity of this and which everything we are together. This will be the benefit or the use of this. Management system, yes. The benefits we were discussing about the use of it. There are some limitations, or maybe there are some challenges of we are efficiently using the system. That means if you are using the system properly, yes, it's definitely a benefit to the organization. There are inefficiencies. If they are not used the system properly, then rather than the system gives us a benefit, it could be a cost to the organization. So 50% of the operating cost could be a reason. It could be because if you are not using the system. If you have a here, we should be properly using them as benefit. But these inefficiencies could happen in the system. So one reason could be this bullwhip effect. So bullwhip, you have seen bulls. It's an alarm. Bulls. Then bullwhip. So those days we had these bullock carts. I got a bull right color. Okay, they have this bullwhip. Not only for bullock carts, here horse carts. They have the whip where they can hit the bull or horse, and they will be that, or maybe yeah, whips. So likewise, yeah. Maybe if you second goes to gym, it's fine. The gym, yeah, this is you. No time. Why not it balls? Hey, girl. Why? No. Okay, so maybe we are not going to gym, could be, but we have seen this the rope exercise Okay, so that rope exercise, so it's not a weight, but it's a big rope. So it could be a weight, or it could be a rope, or a big lengthy piece of a cloth, anything. If you are holding it from one end and you cannot move it, what happens? It goes up now. We can nicely say it. Waves will be created. So today you can try at your home. Exercise or maybe just go in one side, and if you move it, you will be able to see waves being created. So if you carefully check on these waves, we will be able to see even, or maybe in the beginning, it will be small waves. And when it goes to the end, it will be bigger waves. So that's how this happens. So that's what we refer as the bull wave effect. In the beginning, it has a small effect. When it goes to the end, if the effect is bigger, is taken as a group effect. So how does it connect here with our SPM? So let's assume a customer. So usually a customer maybe buy 5 ice cream. Every day the customer is buying 5 ice creams. So now the review season is coming. So last year I take something. See what she is doing for New Year. She is going to her grandparents' house. Yeah, okay, so Divinity goes there. Not only Divinity, all the other cousins, everyone is coming to the grandparents. So grandparents are Divinity every day. 5 yogurt here. They actually buy 5 yogurts every day. So now what happens for the New Year season? Divinity and their few of their cousins went for around 10 people now they are at the Archie's place. Now Archie will be buying 15 yogurt. Usually she buys 5 and then morning. Additionally, 10 she is buying 50. So maybe one week New Year one so first day, second day she is buying 50. So now what does the retailer, the shop on is the yogurt for the demanded 30 bella. So yesterday she was buying only 5. Now she has started buying 50. So when he's ordering from the manufacturer, maybe from the wholesaler, what he will be doing, maybe usually he's only ordering 50. Now, taking this 10, even if the demand is higher, an additional 20 he may order. So Archie started to buy 10 additionally. Retailer may order 20 additional. Seller may take 20 additional. He is going to order from manufacturer. He order additional 50. So make retailer and demand so when the manufacturer is manufacturing, they may think, okay, from one wholesale I got 50 additional. So there is a chance others also will buy more. So he may get ready for 100. And from the supplier, he may be purchasing for 100 the needful materials he may be purchasing. So maybe the supplier thinks, okay, one retailer have ordered for 100 additional supplies. When we get ready with 200 supplies, we may be getting ready. So that's supplier 200 ready, wholesaler 100 ready, retailer 50 ready. Kami ade uncle 20 ready and 1 week maybe 2 weeks to right? But may happen Dinity's vacation is finished. She went home or her cousins went home. Now again she will only buy. So because a small change happened, maybe for a short period, but because of this, what have happened, each and every person, they have started to get ready with maybe 10 additional, it went 20 additional, 50 additional, maybe at the end 100 additional agreement, but actually only 10 may happen. This also it's also not going to be a putting one or a common continuous one. So these what we are referring will be effect and which could drastically affect our supply chain system. So if we are not properly forecasted, that's an issue. But if you have forecasted, if you have these 3 data, you know, okay, you will see that there's a chance that for the sales goes up. Get ready. Are they taking a decision from a small effect happens to us? So these kind of problems or effects also be a supply chain system. But if you are efficiently using the system, yes, we will be able to make sure we use the system enough. Okay. So that's about the supply chain management system, how we are using it, and maybe some benefits, functions, and some limitations out there. We'll move to our next EER or the enterprise system. So this also which we very well know it. So your organizations use ERP. Yes, mostly I hope so. Again, but as I said, maybe we are not using the name ERP. Maybe we may be adding our own name, so the brand name, the company name, we will be adding the ERP system where we will be able to manage all our organization enterprise decisions. It could be from human resource or finance or the manufacturing related products, inventory, all in one. So this is actually kind of a combination of our other systems. So we separately add the CRM, we separately add the company system, separately add the inventory management system. Yeah, we kind of depend on all the different business processes, all the different even business areas, we will be able to manage them. Even the people related to getting connected to that organization also, we will be able to manage them. Through this, finding the needful information to our stakeholders to take the needful decision. Yes, that's going to be the good thing while using the ERP system. So the components or the clusters of ERP, as we said, maybe could be for the production planning, the manufacturing related, we will be able to, or it could be integrated logistics, again, where we will be talking about inbound logistics, for accounting, HR, even the order management of the sales distribution. Likewise, any kind of process of administration from top to bottom, from to the start to the end, all the processes, all the we are starting or we get the support to run with that ERP system or enterprise system. So we can consider this as the information flow of our enterprise application. So can you check the diagram and let me know where does this diagram starts? Whether it's in left top, left bottom, right top, or right top. Maybe middle. When I put on a middle top, middle bottom, or middle left, middle right. That will think the diagram starts. Sure. So as actually surely says, as the diagram starts, maybe from a custom order. So once the custom order comes here, we are going to capture the order details or order capturing. And those custom orders, as we were again talking people supply chain too, goes to the planning. What orders we got and what is our schedule, what is our process. As we already know, maybe not only customer orders coming, yes, insurance, returns, that's also. So maybe we got 50 customer orders. Maybe we got 5 returns. So already we said, make the same product, we got 5 returns. So we know that details also goes to the planning process. So very simple math. We have the 50 customer order, but return 5 today. So now when we are going to produce, do we need to produce 50? We don't need, right? Why? The return 5 of no other reuse. So maybe, so now we put the that only for 45 to produce. So we get our order 50, but there is return 5. So we think this also we can do. So now our final plan is for 45 to produce. We got a repair. So 1 repair. So this we have to replace. We have to give them a new one. So now information also goes there. So now 45. For this repair, maybe now we get the idea. Okay, we need 46. So our final planning process, yes, from the direct customer order, maybe with the returns or repairs also, we are getting them, we are putting them. We know it not only depends on the customer order, we do a forecasting. They are that information also from the planning. So some of the customer order, we have got the idea, okay, 46, that's fine. We do a forecasting, so usually this month, right? There's a huge transfer of sales. Yes, maybe again we get to know another 10 additional demand be maybe 20. There and finally now we make 15 our final plan. Okay. Once the plan is done, so maybe this and each way or each day how much we are going to do, those details goes to the consumer. So here again using this jig or a strategy, we will be able to get procurement in a and to do the purchasing plans, the data is verified. At the same time, the planning process, the schedule may go to the manufacturing process also, where they will be able to start their manufacturing. In order for them to start, the production material needs to come. So where it's going to come from the procurement, send the procurement. So procurement happens. So where this going to be used again to forecast maybe for the coming month. So this month, this is our final step. So that we save and keep or we stream the data, we save and keep the forecasted grammars, which we may be using when we are going to forecast next time. So that's like a sort of the here's the manufacturing work. And we can see the order fulfillment. The distribution of all these things happens. Relatable with the order fulfillment, the delivery the order. Relatable, the finance, the payments, those things also. So here we are mainly talking about the information flow related to the production. But as you can see, the other divisions also will be getting credited. So the procurement is the procurement of the inventory warehouse or our coming. Or even we are going to plan the manufacturing, even it could be the HR or even it could be the other production related services related daily month. And then it was the order fulfillment, it was the sales or maybe it could be the finance division related to the payment, they will also getting involved. So again here the sales or the customer department also will be getting involved. So the entire process of the organization we will be able to maintain with the support of this enterprise system or enterprise system. So we just summarize the benefits of the ERP, as we can say the cost will be decreased because now no any delays or no any defects happens, no any mismatch matters happen. So in a quick way we will be able to do the thing or data maybe in a decision way and we can take decisions in the proper way when planning maybe with the procurement everything. So the total operational cost or total cost related to the product yes will be decreased. And we may be able to take decisions also so maybe from different places. Even when we have plans, we may be able to take a decision how we will be doing. Even in the procurement or maybe even if you are going to manufacture all the places, we may be able to take a proper decisions, clear quick decisions also, which also could be a great support for us. So the overall efficiency and the quality will be increased. So overall will be the benefits of ERP. Implementing system, it could be ERP or even any system. Definitely there is the so the cost here we can divide it like this. So first we can see in the diagram like 20% of cost to be compared. Yeah, or maybe actually for the information system in the software, 15% of the cost is going to the change management. Again, another 15% percentage of passes. So from here, but we just kind of equal amount of cost for the software and the trading, which is the components of that. But as much as we put our effort to develop this system, we should be putting our effort, or we should be focusing on training our employees or in the change management also. Yes, to the data conversion also, again another 50% of this breaking. So maybe we are using disparate systems, different systems, or maybe we could have been in a manual. If now we are moving to an ERP or an information system enterprise application, that is also important where all data get converted to one new system. Maybe we are using a system today. Just start from today's data, we need all the data. And that is also important. So I will say 15% we are spending on data conversion. So you are happy actually. So all these almost like similar amount of people. Sometimes we may be only thinking about developing the system. Put effort on developing the system. Yes, it's needed. Okay, version, those also will be needed. So all these together maybe around it goes to re-engineering. What's the idea of re-engineering? What's the idea of engineering? So you have any engineer friends? Accountants. Your friends are accountants. You have any accountants? They do, but what are they doing? Engineer. Construction, okay. Maybe construction engineer, yeah. Or maybe in simple terms, we can say they are building something. It could be any engineer, even a software engineer, they build a software. Or like construction engineer, engineer, electronic engineer, so building something. So engineering is building. So here what we are doing, re-engineering. So that means rebuilding. So here what we are meaning here is rebuilding or re-engineering our process. So in the organization, yes, we have different processes. So before we move into a system, actually before we do all these, this is what's going to happen. So we study, we see what is our current process. Then we identify the problems. So these are the area. So here what the coordinate is. Here is the place where we can improve. So likewise the problem issues from our old system, the current process we identify. The solution only we are developing. So that's why we say we re-engineer. Because the system is not just like automation. If you are doing the manual thing, if you are just going to automate like that, we have done all the errors. Now we have automated where errors or the defects, the duplication, and now we use this step first duplication is duplication. So this is not just automation, it's the solution to the organization. So that's why we say re-engineering. And that is the important one. So then we spend on developing the system. Before developing the system, or before thinking of training the employees, first we should have known what are current status, so what are current purposes. Next we identify the problems, issues, just we define how we can change them or how we can improve them with the support of the system. So we re-engineer. So once sometimes when we are using the system, some of our processes, we may be adding small changes. So some processes may be already included in. We may be not using the same thing in the system. Or maybe some new things could be there. So some processes there could be drastic changes happen with the system, how we do that. So re-engineer, we will be rebuilding our protocol and we will be finding solutions in order to develop or in order to from there we come with the software. So all these together, so even though we say this is the cost of CRP, this could be for any system. So even before we go for a CRM, we look into the customer related issue. Solution the CRM. It could be the SCA or even the systems we learned earlier, could be a transaction system, maybe a management information system, or a segregating system, any system. They are not just nations. We build them as solutions of re-engineering. Should be to the re-engineering. Right. So these are the three enterprise applications we are looking into: the CRM, SCM, ERP. So we have one more. The knowledge management system. So we take a small break and just we discuss about knowledge management system. Yeah. going to find it out. So there's a small video in LM. And you will check the video. And
Make it.
Have an organization. So happen new piece and try to fix it. I introduce it in chapter First, we identify the most important expertise that the key people in the organization. Those secret ingredients, like that sales guy who knows really well. We focus on your employees and sharing knowledge of colleagues. For example, by discussing what works and what doesn't. Next, we make sure that knowledge will remain in our organization for the future as well, such as systems or groups that genuine share experiences. Also, employees we are pleased to work with existing knowledge, so you don't waste time on reinventing the wheel. If you do it, absolutely not. We know how to work for the long term. This will make you 100B expertise in your organization, as I should put it, continues to flow. Total knowledge.
So, what knowledge can you communicate?
You the share the details with the students. The link. You can share the information with the students and the colleagues.
Okay, it could be for an institute and even for any organization. Sharing information. Okay. So what was the discussed? Two. Yeah, they shows employees leave. So because of this, yes, there's going to be some issues to the organization. They are going to hire a new person for training. So she is not that much familiar. So what happens is this thing. Maybe he doesn't know to do the thing, so he has to get trained and work. It's going to take time. If you are going to hire an experienced person, what will be the issue? And salary wise, expenses and requirements. So what we are trying to do, okay, so that employee will have this experience, or you know the properly could get this tactics and everything. But when he leaves, it's a great loss to the organization. We are going to face that. So what we try to do is business knowledge. So the person having all the employees, we all have business knowledge when we are working. So the business knowledge is really hard. So we work according to maybe by working with experience. We may have got some strategies or new methods. We may have found that we are working. That's the risk. The organization for India as you all said, we try to get this business knowledge, which may be from each and every one of us. We are going to share it with everyone. So this is why we maintain a system. These systems could be information related or the strategies, the business knowledge, or maybe the what we have to do, what we should not do. So all these data, information, or we can call it like the business different employees. In an system now is available to everyone. That is what will happen. Only one person will be knowing about these things, they will be only working. So in case if the person leaves, that's a lot. Maybe the person is here. If we can share that knowledge with everyone, everyone will be working together. So that may be a small or maybe a very simple term, we can say the knowledge management system. So we can knowledge management system. So the knowledge creating organization, where the knowledge workers are. Yes, they need to create business knowledge and they need to share it with their employees. So yeah, to be efficient. functionally or maybe to improve their productivity. So it's a value to the organization as well. Still, they will make sure the business knowledge is shared throughout the organization. So where everyone can use it. So maybe to our services, when we are doing the product or from all the services, we will be using this business knowledge. So you collect or maybe to create this business knowledge and to organize and keep it in a proper way where everyone can access. Yes, we will be using knowledge management system. So when we say knowledge, we have two terms. We say one is linguistic, the other one is test. Linguistic knowledge is already there, or maybe to a document, or we could write up your system. It's already available in the written way, or maybe as a document, or maybe as a video. So maybe the manuals or the handbooks, we can recognize it. So start a system with everyone from why in the very first day, anything giving us the Galle or handbook. So that we will be able to identify and go through it. But knowledge is not be important to the business. We can consider as the knowledge of each and every. So maybe how to do this or how we should not do this. So maybe mostly comes from my experience, or maybe there could be some people that they get the wisdom from heaven. I might be not sure. Experiences we get from trial and error. We have tried, we got to know this is wrong, or maybe we tried, and together we will be coming up. So this country point maybe mostly which is inside the mind. That's what needed to the organization. It was to be very valuable to the organization sometimes. It may be inside one person, or that person, even the person also not knowing it, using it. So organizations try to figure out these business knowledge or these tactics or these strategies. They are sharing it with you. So we are using a system, so rather than just, so we could, maybe we can have a workshop and we can share the knowledge. Bring a guest speaker and speak. So workshop for the thinking of the running. The workshop. What we will do. So good, share some lesson. Now you have to call up the level. When you come here, let's put the workshop and we are. It's a free day for us. It's a fun day for us. Very good. Dala, they will go and share knowledge. Gain the knowledge and come. Very fun. So maybe we will share the knowledge, okay? Yeah. But again, definitely we will. Okay, that also happens. So what we try to do is having could be the workshops, trainings, and everything. But from all we try to get this knowledge and we kind of update or we keep it in the system. So even something LMS is not a knowledge management system, but we can just fill that. So we are in one lecture material same for the team. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to block everyone's sentence. But you get the study. Okay, so then I'm excusing everyone. Right. So kind of a partial, you can say it's actually not a knowledge management system, but like a 25% because it's a knowledge management system. There are all the needful knowledge, but all the needful materials or the needful things are updated there. So yes, if it's here and there, definitely we will forget them. We will know where they are. But now, as you know, before the exam, there is a place where you can go and check whatever the knowledge, whatever the case studies we have discussed, or the materials we have discussed, the videos are there. So you will be able to update or you will be able to get the knowledge from them. Maybe even you are sharing your knowledge, so maybe we can create this. I think we have got some kind of various activities related things for you, but I think the retail mind, they are very small kids. So what they will do, we have them very small online activities update update no, like the brainstorming kind of the things, so online activities we have the answer. So even the small things we do. So yes, there are two is sharing their knowledge. So maybe like a forum we can create even here. So when I put a poster question, everyone comes and put their answers and it's visible to everyone. So this kind of the things in LMS we can do. So similar with our knowledge management system. So not only just having knowledge here, maybe this forum where the one employee gets a job. Yes, he or she can post it there. So the others who know about it or others who can support will be supporting them. Maybe in that time 2-3 options comes, 2-3 ideas may be coming. From that we may be able to find the better one, or maybe which are the strengths, weaknesses. We can come to a conclusion. So knowledge management system just while we are sharing the knowledge, we may be organization for some knowledge. So where we can have these discussions area. Maybe kind of this FAQs that. So maybe a new person comes to the organization, then one day should be knowing. So these things related to their different departments or divisions, we may be adding. So the basic idea to create the knowledge, business knowledge, and we share this business knowledge with everyone. So with the KMS, the knowledge management system, the knowledge work may be able to create and organize it in a so that means we say and give them okay, all these HR related information, or these are production related details, marketing related tactics, strategies. So likewise, we can organize and make sure it's available to everyone from anywhere, anytime. So that's the good thing of this system. Or it's also if you have a good experienced person, we can go and ask them more how to do this, how to do that. Maybe one particular day that person is absent or leave. Now we get the knowledge. So that's the good thing is a system where we can access the needful data information from anywhere, anytime. So that's the idea of the knowledge management. Implement this enterprise application. So it could be any enterprise application or even an information system. So there are two computers which we use. And we that's the big bang approach. And the organization. So we what we think, okay, we put a date, okay, maybe from April 1st. We are going to use this system. So maybe we are developing an market. So we have a date. First, we are going to start using it. So we make sure we completely develop the system, we test the system, and we finish everything. And all the other training, so data conversion, everything completed. And from April 1st, we move to the new system, leaving behind the old system. Maybe we have the other manual one or different system. So everything is left. And from one day, we are going live with the new system. So that's the big thing. Next what we are going to do. The next says we move to the new system. And moving to the entire system one day, leaving all our old system. We are going to move to the new system little by little. So maybe in ERP. So rather than the entire organization start using, maybe implement introduce to the HR division. So HR division may be working with the new system. Still others with the old system. So once they get familiar with whether all the problems are sorted out or not, okay, in the HR, maybe we are going to introduce it to the marketing. Now HR and marketing will be working. When the marketing also gets familiar, now we are going to introduce it to the other division. Little by little, we will be moving to our new system, leaving our old or the traditional system. So do something. So what will you keep the pros and the cons, the good and the bad? So in that, we said a day again start using the new system. So what will be the advantage here? Considering the phase approach, little by little changing. Rather than little by little changing, we change on one factor. That is the good. Immediately, in a very shorter period or very in a quicker way, we can implement. But it takes time when we are going to the phase. Definitely, so when we consider the time, the cost is also going to be reduced. It will take more time, going to be costly also. Cost price also definitely less. So those things are going to be a disadvantage to the phase development. Yeah. We are fully changing. So what could go wrong there? Could be the problem there. They need time to get familiar with the system. That's correct. So that change management or that training. So if you are changing from one particular day, we should have been made sure early training given. Or else, yeah, it's going to be. The phase approach, little by little we are changing. So maybe only the HR needs to get familiar. Others will be fine. So yes, that change management could be a little problem when it comes to this.
Change anything becomes device.
Definitely, or maybe let's assume we can do it in the other way. If an error, yeah, we change to the new system. So now we found an error, or maybe now we found there's a defect in the system, or this should not be the way. Change. Maybe there's an error, we are going to bug and we are going to debug, we are going to correct it. The entire organization, the entire process is going to get affected. That problem is there. But in phased approach, only maybe the HR may have been started to use it. So maybe even though we found a problem there, on the HR related processes, we may be having issue, maybe we can sort it out quickly. It's easier rather than it's affected to everyone. So yes, definitely. And when we say phased approach, so we are saying the HR may be using first one. So then it's definitely going to have a HR can't only use the new system and maybe stay for a time being because others are using still the old system. So until the organization moves to the new system, it's going to go with the old one. So that cost, that maintaining is there. In the other hand, if issues occurs or errors occurs, that's also not going to be a great issue, maybe a big impact to the organization. At the same time, training maybe on site training. So while using, we can do the training. So we may be having time to little by little to get adjusted to the new system. So that's both systems are there. The difference from the organization, or maybe the system could be depending on the time we have or the schedule, the budget, the need, features, or the system's need requirement. We may have to select the big bag for the space approach. So it depends. Organization, the organization may be even the same organization. One system they may be going with big bag. The system they may be going with the space approach. This both more both. System we need to be that should be or return should be there. But after implementing the system could become a failure. So we implemented and start using. Now we find the system is a failure. So why this could happen? What could be the problem issue? So one, this can be
Yes.
think, okay, now kind of about what everyone says we are implementing ERP system. So because everyone is implementing ERP, they are also going to implement ERP. They sometimes suitable to our organization. So definitely after the end, is not using only, we figure it out, this is not suitable, how the system could be. So we should be understanding what is the need for us, or we are doing that. Rather, because they are using, these are competitors using, we may not be needed to use that. Maybe after that, again, another different system could be more useful for us. So yes, if we do not have understanding related to the system, the requirement, then it's based. So this is the of the cost. So which process or which had the most highest cost? Range. So rather than developing the system or converting data or trading and knowledge, re-engineering, we have to put more focus. So that means getting to know what is our current process and solving the problem is the important thing. So the problem, the solution is the system. And then we can't just automate the processes what they are doing. So that is important. If we have not done that, before we solve the problem, we can just automate the process. Then yes, we have automated system, but with the same problem, the same bottleneck, same shift of issues. So again, the system will be involved with the system, or people who are affected with the, by the system. They are not involved in their product. Maybe the employees who are using the system. The operational level employee, we have to ask from them or from them, what is your need or what are the issues you are facing. Sometimes mostly what happens, systems are implemented, they are if they okay, we are implementing ER, they come with an idea. It's good, but sometimes they have to be the people who actually use it, who actually get infected by the system. They only know what is the needs for them, what the requirement, or what are the problems they are facing. So if we can discuss with them, if we can get input from them, we can improve those also and develop a solution, a system in a problem. So that is also important. So with the involving affected employees, we can consider the stakeholder. If we are implementing a CRM system, yeah, so customers maybe we can ask from them, or maybe a CM, the supply chain, the supplier. So likewise, even the stakeholders. So even it could be these trade unions, other agencies, maybe if you are thinking the system could affect them, or they may be benefited in the system, we should be discussing with them or involving them also in our practice. Trying to do too much too fast. So we have to think that. So listening also it's very important presentations. So when you start to prepare your presentation, yesterday's let's talk about the presentation in my yes. It was last week. Around how many days before you started to prepare the presentation? It was. Presentation certainly not. Your group can be good stuff. It's before. Week before. Pagi mo pikir-pikir. Kita baru buat. Terus ada 1 week before to prepare your presentation. Yeah, for which one? Yeah, 1 day, 1 night, 1 week. 1 week. So you were told you have some other presentations also, even if you want that. Maybe presentation, if you are trying to do first day night. Yeah, so what will happen? We have very less time, so we will be trying to do too much too fast. So then we may not be able to sometimes double check again. If we may have started 1 week before, like Huda says, the chakras group has started 1 week before, and they may have enough time 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. They should have done not double. They could check their presentation. Then they may have found the problems, even a spelling error, maybe color that is not good, white is good here. Even those kind of effect we could have put to the presentation activity. So then we understand same with the system. We have a very limited time and we are going to try to do too much too fast. Definitely the best outcome is not going to come because we have to complete. So it may not be the best. Definitely we all can do best case. But you do too much too fast. Yes, insufficient data conversion. So we told when we were talking again about the cost related, we will say data conversion, converting all our past data, history data, the new system has equal cost related to developing the system, training here. Also, like 15%, so that means that much important. If that has not been done, if you have not reconverted our past data to the new system, and start using the new system, then just when we are doing the processes, when we do the analysis, the problems are looking up because all the day we are not just using systems to do the day-to-day operation. So we use it for decision making. So that means we need the history data to do the analysis. We need the old data. So in that time, we may be getting blocked or stuck if we do not have the past history data. So that's also could be a problem when we have insufficient data conversion. Testing. So before testing, if you have started to use the system, that is also a problem because if you go live, if the system has error comes, that's going to be a great loss. So if the customers have started, suppliers got involved. So that's going to be a huge problem. So before going live with the system, we should have been properly tested our system. Insufficient training. So again, when it comes to a problem, yes, we are not given proper training. So maybe we are a very good system, employees do not to use it. So we may be still using the very basic thing, or manually and just be sitting in front of the system and need to use that. So that also would be a problem, or we may be doing something wrong. So as we were looking earlier in the supply chain management system, if there are not inefficiencies, then the system gives us a profit. It could be the cost to the organization. So same could happen here too. If the employees are not trained well, and they are using the system in the wrong way. Yeah. So definitely most of the time we may be outsourcing the system because we may not IT experts. So yes, we may not be able to develop this system. So we ask a third party to develop the system outside. Or maybe could be going for a cloud system. Could be. When we are asking a third party or maybe getting the support from the clouds again, a third party, we should not depend on them because they are IT experts. Are they business experts? No. They are not be on a service or not. Or anything could be. So we need the IT support. But most people are very good as software engineers and developing systems. They may be not know how business works. If you are only going to depend on them, ask them to develop and give us the system, definitely they will develop and give a very advanced system, be suitable for our business. So yes, we should be working together. So it's like 250. Business and the IT together, then we will be able to come with the perfect system for our if we always depend on these vendors or consultants, again, it may not be the suitable system before our organization. So we start using, yes, it could be definitely an error. Definitely, we'll discuss about some trends related with this. We have talked about this also. We have this again. So that means now we know there are no any standalone system. So what we call a standalone system, a system which will only work in a circle. So it is like a sys package. So my office, my word is only my life. Continue the working in the computer. So that's what we call standalone system. No any system like that. The systems are based. So even now we have this package, we have the Office 365. So from any from any device, we can access it. Two systems sort of moving from ERP to the CRM system, limited to one device, just from any device from anywhere, we can access because of the web. Enterprise application, we are moving enterprise tool. Separately having a CRM, SCM, we try to combine all of them with the lead system. So we are part of the enterprise. So now we will find it because of desperate or traditional systems. We move it to enterprise application. From enterprise application, we are moving to enterprise tools, where we will be able to connect everyone together. And about this web service, we already discussed. So that's why I only put the name there. We have only discussed about it. SOA, the words figures, can you remember? Services. Service oriented. Again, a good guess. Service oriented architecture. So we talked about this Google Maps. So Google Maps is a web service. So it's free, they can use. And the good thing is we can reuse this web service for our system. So we know if we are creating a website, we need to put this location. So we are not again coding, developing the location part. We just embed the Google Maps to our website. There are web services where we can reuse them. So if the same feature we need in our website or web system, rather than again developing that, we can reuse them and embed them. That's why we are calling them web services or service oriented architecture. So they are being created by the services. So likewise, also how can we use it to our systems rather than we can create the system. Intelligent applications. So it is artificial intelligence, machine learning, or we are talking about VR, AR. So now systems are not just normal systems, but systems can work with themselves alone. They can work. They will be able to do this more intelligent stuff. So like the like now we have this AI. So they are more or sometimes working more, taking decisions, better decisions than humans. Okay. It looks like a I don't even remember. Okay, so Salashi says, okay, we have discussed about the cloud computing, where we talked about these three services, infrastructure as a service, network as a service, and software as a service. So we can get enterprise application, software as a service. And then we develop the system, we get already developed system. So now that is all. And open source. So about open source did we discuss? We discuss about first one. We say the developed system is there. But we can customize the system. We will be able to edit the system according to our needs. So rather than developing from the scratch, already developed system we take, but the source is old. So that means we can do the adjustment. We can customize the system for our needs. So that is also a kind of a good thing. So different ways or trends how these enterprise applications we will be able to implement in our organization. So with this, we are really coming to the end of enterprise. So with this week, you all have two things to homework. So what is one homework that you want me post for? Insurance. Yes, the well, it was so relatable link and the details are there in the LMS. So 24, right? On Sunday before 12:30 p.m. You have to submit. Yes, info also in the LMS you can check. And you will be doing that too. Let me check check do the homework. So please inform the message to all, especially to the abroad students also. Inform. Things in the LMS to cover before you come to the next class. Okay, so with that, we will wind up the class for today, and we